Okay na ba?
Okay na. Sige. 1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday, Sugar!
Wow, dalaga ka na. And of course, I wish you all the best, especially sa studies mo. Magiging R&D tayo.
Ren, wow! Birthday gift ko sa'yo.
Gaga, hindi sa'yo.
Yung birthday gift ni God. Yung cupping mo, syempre ito yun,
Yan.
di ba? Bonggang-bongga, may cup ka na. You have reached that so far, bonggang-bongga ka ha, beach party daw. We're always here, at huwag mo lang kaming umutangan ng load, okay?
Si Shelven, we speak in Tagalog kasi
Yeah.
my friends are very civilized na talaga.
Correct. And take note, this is my boyfriend, Ding Dong.
Sugar, i-regards, you extend my regards to tita. Tapos sa birthday mo, magkikita, you will see each other. I-regards mo na kami sa classmates natin. May vlogong kami kanina tanan. Ang drama naman. You keep in touch na lang kung sino, kung who will be coming to your party. You update.
Regards to all.
You update us with some pictures.
Correct.
Kahit wala kami dyan, hopefully mauli kami ni Mark, mauli kami ni Mark sa December for alumni homecoming.
Alumni homecoming.
Yes.
Ay, Ren, may mga boyfriend na kami. Ikaw, kumusta ka naman dyan?
Meron.
Joke, ambal ni Ren. Ingat, miss you.
Yeah, we miss you so much.
Miss you so
And
much.
by the way, may script kami. May script
May script kami. Ayan.
Kitang-kita, diba?
Yan ang script. Okay, script.
Ang daling namin, Okay, yun na. Sige na, last message.
Last message.
Okay. Happy birthday ulit, Sugar, and we love you so much. We miss you.
Langga, tagig ka! Mwah!